Joining me now is Headlines Today's Aditi Anant Narayanan. Aditi, you've been speaking to National Commission for Women members, Delhi Commission for Women members, also women's rights activists, and they are united in their stand. What Somnath Bharti did was wrong and unacceptable.
Absolutely. It is very surprising that for the first time, Gaurav, after a really long time, that the National Commission for Women, the Delhi Commission for Women, in fact, all the women's organizations from across the country and even the eminent citizens of the national capital have come together. Not only has the National Commission for Women written a letter to Arvind Kejriwal, even eminent citizens of the capital and various women organizations have written a letter to Arvind Kejriwal demanding why is the party still defiant about the acts of Somnath Bharti. Why is the party still not accepting that their own minister is at the wrong this time? In fact, a fresh application has also been sent to Arvind Kejriwal where they are demanding that Arvind Kejriwal should take strict action, and if Somnath Bharti himself does not step down, then it is the Chief Minister of Delhi who should ask him to step down, because clearly Somnath Bharti is not apologetic about it, and clearly the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal are still defending the acts of Somnath Bharti. So these are the questions which are being raised not only by the NCW, by the DCW, but also the women rights activists and also the citizens of the national capital, that why is Arvind Kejriwal still defending Somnath Bharti when everything is out in the open? The complaint of the Ugandan nationals is out in the open. Then why is he still being defended? Action should be taken, and the action should be taken as soon as possible. If Somnath Bharti does not resign, these women activists and NCW and DCW are saying that they will ask the Commissioner of Police to file an FIR against Somnath Bharti, Gaurav.